permit. Nice rainbow down there this morning. Smile, Mickey. Smile.
Smiling this fucking day. Right, I'll take some slings and that, boys.
I got them for you now, Mick.
Want a bit of VM for that?
Nah, I'll just danger.
Let's get a bit of sail run for you, that, don't you?
Huh?
Well, you cannot put a links in and then come back and test your tranny.
Me?
You ain't testing the fucker for you.
I can't, I'm not allowed, I can't test it.
Having it!
Having it large, mate.
I can't test it, it's him who's in charge up there today, I can't test it. I'm not, no authority today.
What fucking day do you hear authority like you cunt?
Hey boy, what are you doing?
I'm waiting for you to come down the pole, I'll capture you. Video evidence. Flouting all the rules.
I've got a couple of 40s we have landing on the grass as well, tell you. When the fucking come
That's nothing new. Hey?
I'm not coming down till he turns off.
Well, we'll pick you up in the morning.
Yeah.
Use that money.
Where's my steeple?
I've got some of my bag.
Sackable offence, cotton tape there.
Nah, it was good.
I didn't do any real, man. How you doing, boy?
This is the fine transformer job that me and Scooby are doing. We're just going to put the service on the house in a minute. And what? How long's that taking us, Scooby? An hour?
Oh, fucking 20 minutes, mate.
20 minutes.
Fastest line than they got. Dum 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 da dum dum da dum 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 da dum dum da dum. I can't really get quite far enough out there. I'll try running. Nah, you just lose it all there completely. Anyway, I'll leave it with that. I will continue this later. Ham, lettuce, tomato and onion, baguette. That's all I need, mate. The cornerstone to any meal.
Your own salad shop.
Look at all that mayonnaise on that.
Jesus Christ.
Yeah. Good shit.
Thumbs up, Scooby, yeah?
Yep.
Gets a
Yeah,
thumbs
just
up.
the one, mate, just the one.
Good man.
Passengers and bookings from Park North Island, 028 3333.
Another fine job done by me.
You wee cunt. How much that say about the number?
Okay. Yeah, do a bit of video in, man.
Are you doing with the fuse boat itself?
Has it got sound as well?
Yeah.
Jeez.
Aye. Well, if you just kind of turn to your left hand side, I'm just up there. Where the next set of fuse.
Let me take it.
Jesus, that's one ugly
Tell
fella.
you what, Danny, I'll take it on Friday and make a blue movie.
You can as long as you rent it out.
That's right. Oh no, that's not. Aye. What are they? So that's where we are just now. Alright, mate. What's going on then?
Get up!
Okay. Alright. No problem. I'll speak to you later. That. Aye, fucking LE1. Oh, fuck. I was going to bring mine today, no? So no, when I'm eating, man, you put me off. So, get a picture of LE1 before he kills you, so.
Jesus.
Ellie, you've not even a clue
Who's
about
anyone now? Is Lee promoted now?
Nah, next week. I'll get a picture of that van.
Which van?
The nice bit there.
Have a look at the inside of Mickey's van.
Don't take your dog.
It's nah, it's not the best, like. That's a real working van.
Yeah.
Have a look in the back if you can get in.
But the door's busted. You can't get in the back.
Can't get a switch in there.
Fucking hell. Can't even get in.
Is that a car one? I'll get back.
Nice view, eh?
Doesn't nice. I'd
volunteer to come to your 100.
What are you doing, innit?
Yeah. That's the line through, we're all binding in, not an earth between them. Not an earth anywhere. You're now looking at the spike of the world's greatest linesman. Right, Clive, we're going. This is Clive, all the way from South Africa. Just about to bind in with Go on, Clive, bind her in, boy.